I have just created a course which I believe can help you to accelerate your journey in terms of online entrepreneurship. If you want access to this course, stick around to the end of this video and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you get amazing videos like this. So my name is Kuda and I'm from kudaonline.com. My channel talks about things to do about online entrepreneurship and anything with regards to making money online. I share a lot of nuggets with regards to that. So I've been in this space for a number of years now, and I can tell you that there are so many techniques that have proven to work in terms of increasing your profits on the internet. And one of them is creating online courses. Now, a lot of people, they come to the idea of creating an online course and they don't know the benefits of creating an online course. They don't know how to create an online course. They don't know why should they create an online course. So the course that I created is called How to Create Online Courses and Monetize Them. So if you have been following me, you've realized that I do a lot of videos on YouTube and on social media and things like that. But if you're going to follow these videos, they are inspirational. They're going to inspire you to want to be an online entrepreneur and things like that. But if you need a step-by-step guidance in terms of something that has been laid out in a sequence, then you may want to get to my inner circle, which is called the Internet Pro Club, which is a coaching program where we coach entrepreneurs to make money online and start a successful online business. But with that out of the way, let's talk about the specific course that I've just created. Now, this course is called How to Create an Online Course and Monetize It. In this course, I've explained why should you create a course, the reasons why you should create a course, how to make money from the course, the platforms that you can use to host your online courses, how to structure your lessons, how to have people engage with your courses, how to close so many sales with creating courses. Now, if you go to my website, which is called Internet Pro Club, you go to the section that says courses. I've done a lot of courses. You're going to see different topics. And why do I do that? And you can tell me that you have also noticed that some of the internet marketing people, they also create courses. But why not you? That's the biggest question. If you're not doing that, then you're leaving money on the table. So let me give you an experience that has happened to me that led me to create courses and how I've been able to close more sales and make more money. So one of the things that a lot of people ask me is that they come to me and say, hey Kuda, how do I do this? How do I do that? How do I do this? How do I do that? So I get 10 people asking me the same questions, and that is a reason, that is a sign that there is need for more information. How about creating a course based on the same question that people are actually asking me? And what it simply means is that if someone else asks me the same question, I can say, hey, thank you very much for asking this very important question. Do you know what? I created a course that answers these questions in depth. And then you can give those people that course. You can actually sell it. You can actually give it for free depending on your business model, which is what we explained in the course that I'm talking about, if you should sell your course or not. Now, guess what that does for me? What that does for me, it helps me with creating free time, because I no longer have to explain to a lot of people the same answers, because I've explained everything in form of a course. Number two, the benefit that has happened to me over the years is that I've been able to close clients. What I mean by close clients, moving them to paying me money. Here's why. When you speak to people on WhatsApp, or when you speak to people giving them answers on forums and things like that, those people, they're gonna ask you one question and then they're gonna go, you give them answers, they're gonna go and never do anything. But when you create a course, you can actually see, thanks to the course hosting platforms, where you can actually see who is progressing much faster, who is doing what. So as people, let's say 100 people take your course, you're going to see that 10 people are going to be probably serious about the course completion. And when they're completing the course, number one, you can see that this person is serious. They are more likely to buy my products. And then you can send them an email to say, hey, can you work with me, and things like that. Another thing that has actually happened to me is that I am looking for future business partners. And guess what? Those people that have completed my courses, I have actually opened up the curtain to say, hey, you're doing great when you're completing my courses. Can we become partners? Okay? And I've actually partnered with a lot of people to start other online businesses. So there's so many benefits that I can actually tell you in terms of why you should create a course. So if you, I can tell you that everyone knows something. Everyone knows something that they can put into, that they can actually put into a course and generate money and generate leads. No matter what kind of business that you are doing, you can create a course. But in order for you to get access to my course, what I want you to do is to find the link in the description. It's going to take you to your WhatsApp group where I am the admin, and that link is going to, I'm going to ask you to provide me your details so that I can create your account manually. If you go to my website, which is called internetproclub.com, you go under courses, you look for the courses, you're going to be asked to pay money. But if you want free access, as I promised earlier on, just use the link in the description to join the group, and then have a chat with me, give me your details, and you're gonna have access and you'll be on your way to learning how to create and monetize online courses. With that being said, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions for me, leave a comment below, and I look forward to seeing you inside. Thank you. Bye.